Hey everybody, today I'm gonna make the chicken cacciatore recipe from this Better Homes and Gardens 1953 cookbook, but I'm gonna put my own spin on it. So this recipe calls for it to be made in a pan and simmer over the stove for 30 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna put everything in the crock pot and I'm going to let it simmer all day so that it'll just be ready this evening. And then the only other change I'm making is I'm gonna add a can of diced green chilies, but I am gonna follow the rest of the recipe with all of the ingredients from the original recipe. So let's get it going.
I will put the recipe in the description for you guys. Chicken cacciatore originated in 16th century Italy and was originally a peasant dish, and it was originally made with rabbit, not chicken. But as Italian immigrants came to the US, they adapted the recipe to use chicken, and it has become a staple of American Italian cuisine. It is an all-time favorite, and you can find many variations of chicken cacciatore. As I said before, I'm going to put the recipe in the description for you guys, but I'm just going to go ahead and tell you too. So for this version of chicken cacciatore, you're going to need an onion chopped up. You're going to need a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like to trim as much fat off of these as I can. I just don't really like to eat fat, so I know it gives flavor, but I just like to trim them up as much as I can. And then you're going to need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then the recipe didn't call for this, but I thought I really like the taste of green chilies, and I thought it would add a little bit of a kick to it, so I added a can of green chilies. And then you're also going to need 1 garlic clove chopped up. Throw a bay leaf in there, celery salt, and the recipe actually called for celery seed, but I couldn't find that, so I figured celery salt would do in place of that. You're also going to need rubbed sage. And then the recipe called for 1 small hot red pepper, which I used crushed red pepper in place of that. One of my favorite things about this recipe is it's so easy to customize and it's so versatile. You can serve it with pasta, rice, or even just some like crusty bread on the side. And because it's made in the slow cooker, you can customize it to fit your schedule, which is so nice. Just throw it all in the crock pot in the morning, and then when you come home from work in the evening, you'll have a mouth-watering dinner ready to go. It's perfect for those crazy nights when you have children going in every direction, and it's a great way to get everyone a hearty meal with minimal effort. So here it is all mixed up and ready to be started. I'm going to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. And we are going to have spaghetti with ours this evening, so I'm just going to get that going. And I was also getting this salad prepared. So I just grabbed some mixed greens, and then I went ahead and chopped up some green onions, some cucumbers, and some carrots. There it is, all ready to go. And I'm gonna get this pasta going for the side with the chicken cacciatore. Add a little bit of olive oil to your pasta so it doesn't stick. And here it is. It's been on for about 8 hours. Chicken is so tender. The onions are tender. Everything went really well with it. I was really pleased with the way it turned out. It was delicious. Let's get it plated up here. A little bit of pasta. Add some chicken cacciatore. A little bit of salad on the side, and you're all ready to go. If you loved this recipe, be sure to check out my other videos for more delicious meals and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thanks everybody. Enjoy!